So frequently I have clients come into my office who are engaged or they're contemplating marriage, and they want to know how to address their family business in a marriage contract. I usually like to answer the question, what is a marriage contract? And so basically, a marriage contract in BC family law is a legally binding agreement that's entered into between two people who intend to marry, or they're actually already married. And they want to determine how their assets and other aspects of their lives will be dealt with in the unlikely and unfortunate event of a potential separation down the road. So when you want to enter into a marriage contract and you have a family business, you have to address some key aspects of how the business will be dealt with in the event of separation. So you really need to think about, what do you want your life to look like and what do you want your business to look like in the event you and your spouse do separate? So some of the things you're going to want to think about include who's going to own the business after separation. So if you're the one bringing in a business into a marriage, most often I have clients say to me that they want to make sure that their business stays their business and it doesn't get divided up and pieced up in the event of a separation. Another common situation involves situations where people maybe work in a family business and they anticipate inheriting that family business at some point down the road. And so really what they're looking to do is preserve that family business within the family, regardless of what may happen with one's marriage down the road. So these are all important things that you need to consider. Other important things you need to consider include, how are you going to deal with income from the business, if at all? Maybe you want to take a look and think about whether or not a compensation payment would be paid out to a separating spouse in the event of a separation down the road. One of the main benefits of having a marriage contract, if you own a family business or anticipate owning or inheriting a family business in the future, is setting out expectations of both spouses right from the get-go and giving yourself and providing yourself some security in preserving your asset and potentially your life's work in the event that you and your spouse separate down the road. So there are plenty of benefits to entering a marriage contract if you have a family business in British Columbia. Our lawyers at Pure Law Mediation would be more than happy to discuss this topic further with you at your convenience. So please give us a call at the phone number listed below on the screen.